Have you stopped to think about how much you and I actually have in common? If you'll look closely, we are so similar, it is almost scary. Why is it that all of us humans are so wonderfully identical to one another? Well, I'm Clarence, I'm the preacher, and of course, I think I have an answer. The reason all of us are so wonderfully similar is because we come from the exact same source. We have the same Father. We have all been created in the image of God. That's Genesis 1 and verse 26. And so we are virtually identical twins in so many wonderful ways. Now, the thing that kind of confuses us is that while we are all so identical and trying to achieve so many of the exact same goals, we have different strategies about how we try to achieve those goals. And since we tend to look on the surface, you and I think, oh, we're different. No, we have almost exactly the same goals. And that makes us almost twins. Now, I do need to clarify, I don't think every strategy is good. I don't mean to condone everything that happens, but my point is that if you look under the differences, you will find out that male, female, young, old, all the differences that we acknowledge with our eyes, we are so much exactly alike, it ought to just about be scary. Now, instead of demonizing other people for being different, what we need to do is learn to see those unities, that sameness, that oneness, and bring about unity and develop the oneness and the love and the goodness that Christianity teaches. Check out the comments below, share your comments, and if you think this video would be helpful to someone else, share it with them. And as always, I hope you have a great day.